Are you searching for the best alternatives to the GoPro Hero 12 in 2024? Maybe you're frustrated with its limitations or just curious about what else is out there. You're in the right place. In this video, we'll break down the top 5 contenders that could give GoPro a run for its money. We know choosing the right action camera is crucial for capturing your adventures in the best possible quality. That's why we've tested these alternatives extensively to find the perfect match for your needs. Stay tuned as we reveal some surprising options that might just be the upgrade you're looking for. You won't want to miss what's coming up next. Number 5. DJI Osmo Action 4 Standard Combo redefines action cameras with its waterproof 4K 120 fps capability and 1.3 sensor delivering stunning low-light imaging. This camera's quick, precise autofocus ensures you capture every moment, from high-speed sports to serene travel scenes. Handling it feels intuitive, with a compact design and user-friendly controls. The long-lasting 160-minute battery life keeps you shooting all day, while the in-body stabilization guarantees smooth, steady footage, crucial for action-packed adventures. Dual touchscreens make navigation easy and provide flexibility in framing your shots. Built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth simplify transferring images and videos, enhancing your workflow. The price is reasonable given the features, offering excellent value for both amateurs and professionals. A learning curve with the menu system. The touchscreen's responsiveness ensures quick adjustments. Its lightweight, sturdy build withstands rough conditions, making it perfect for extreme sports and rugged travel. What I love most is its versatility, excelling in various conditions and scenarios. In conclusion, the DJI Osmo Action 4 excels in autofocus, low-light performance, and ease of use, making it a top contender among action cameras. Check it out and elevate your footage to the next level. Number 4. AKASO Brave 7LE is an all-weather action camera that truly impresses. This versatile gadget handles anything from rain to snow thanks to its IPS water-assistant design, making it perfect for any adventure. Dual display design is a game-changer, featuring both front and back color screens for easy framing and monitoring. The vivid front screen is ideal for selfies, while the 2-inch back touchscreen simplifies navigation, capturing 4K video at 30fps and 20fps photos. This action camera ensures every moment is documented in high resolution. Electronic image stabilization 2.0 delivers gimbal-like stability even during fast movements, making it perfect for action-packed activities. The camera also offers a full set of professional functions including digital zoom, time-lapse, burst photo, and fast motion modes, expanding creative possibilities. Included accessories such as 2 rechargeable batteries, a remote, waterproof housing, and various mounting kits enhance usability without breaking the bank. Battery life is impressive, with 2 rechargeable batteries ensuring a full day of recording. While the touchscreen can be a bit unresponsive at times, the overall performance and features of the Brave 7LE outweigh this minor inconvenience. In conclusion, the AKASO Brave 7LE offers a combination of quality, versatility, and affordability that's hard to beat. Number 3. Insta360 hits the market with a punch, and it's a game-changer. This compact 360-degree camera is a powerhouse with its 7020p stills resolution and 8K video capabilities. Weighing just 203 grams, it's incredibly lightweight and portable, perfect for on-the-go content creators. Autofocus on the Insta360 is quick and reliable, ensuring crisp, clear images every time. The low-light performance is stellar, capturing bright and vibrant images even in challenging lighting conditions. Handling the Insta360 is a breeze, with its ergonomic design and intuitive controls making it easy to switch settings without missing a beat. Battery life is impressive, with 75 minutes at 8K and up to 135 minutes at 5.7K, ideal for travel and adventure enthusiasts. In-body stabilization keeps your footage smooth and steady, a godsend for vloggers and action videographers. Video resolution options are exceptional, with 8K at 30fps, 5.7K at 60fps, and 4K at 100fps. Connectivity is seamless with built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Waterproof up to 10 meters or 50 meters. With a dive case, it's ready for any adventure. Despite a higher price point, its features and performance justify the investment, making it a top contender among 360-degree cameras. Number 2. DJI Pocket 3 is a game-changer in the world of compact cameras. This tiny powerhouse packs a punch with its impressive specs and ease of use. At just 179 grams, it's perfect for travel, fitting snugly in your pocket. Autofocus on the Pocket 3 is quick and precise, locking onto subjects effortlessly. This feature ensures your videos and photos are always sharp and detailed. Low-light performance impresses with minimal noise, even in challenging lighting conditions. Handling the DJI Pocket 3 is a joy thanks to its ergonomic design and intuitive controls. Battery life is solid, offering about 2 hours of continuous use, ample for most shoots. 4K video at 60 fps or 120 fps ensures your footage is crisp and smooth, making it stand out against similar models. In-body stabilization keeps your videos steady even when shooting handheld, perfect for action shots. Connectivity is seamless with built-in Wi-Fi, making file transfers a breeze. While the lack of waterproofing is a minor inconvenience, the overall performance and portability are impressive. For those seeking a combination of portability and performance, the DJI Pocket 3 delivers exceptional value. Check it out and see how it can elevate your creative projects. Number 1. Insta360 Ace Pro sets a new standard in action cameras, boasting impressive features and reliable performance. Having extensively tested this camera, I can confidently endorse its ability to capture breathtaking footage and photos across various settings. The standout feature is its 8K video capability at 24 fps, delivering unparalleled clarity and detail suitable for professional videographers and content creators. It also excels with 4K video at 120 fps and 1080p at 240 fps, offering versatility for slow motion and high-speed action shots. Waterproof up to 4.87 meters. With available housings, the Ace Pro thrives in challenging environments, making it ideal for underwater adventures and extreme outdoor activities. Its 48 stills resolution ensures sharp, vibrant images, appealing to photography enthusiasts seeking exceptional detail. A battery life of up to 100 minutes, it supports extended shooting sessions without interruption, crucial for capturing lengthy events or day-long excursions. While its menu interface can initially overwhelm due to extensive features, mastering it unlocks comprehensive control over shooting settings and creative options. The Insta360 Ace Pro's blend of advanced capabilities and user-friendly design makes it a standout choice in the competitive action camera market, perfect for those seeking superior image quality and durability in their adventures.